Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on how to draw cartoons. And today I'd like to give you kind of a tip on drawing that I think is a helpful one, and that is that we sometimes make the hair go completely to the side in a front view so things don't stay symmetrical. If everything is symmetrical, it's kind of boring. So let's start off with this kind of like fun kid character here that we will draw. Nice big rounded head, sort of like an oval. And here is the center line. I'll do this over again in markers so you'll see it at the end. It'll be a bolder. And the eye line is very low because he's a young character. The younger you are, the lower your eyes are relative to the size of your head. So let's give him some nice big eyes, staring straight ahead, and bring those make big pupils and make them a little bit cross-eyed. It's a touch, just for a stylistic look when character is looking forward. All right, then we'll give him just a bit of the nostrils because he's young. Not going to define the nose. Give him a little smile to the side. Again, not completely symmetrical. Everything else is very symmetrical, so you want to stay away from making everything just completely like a formula. You can do the same thing with the eyebrows. You can tilt this one up a little bit. This one's a little straighter. And the cheek comes out down to the rounded chin. Thin and long neck on a boy character. Again, I'm going to go with the marker and darken this all in afterwards for a little bit of emphasis. Some ears, and these do have to be symmetrical. It's not a great idea unless you're doing really kooky drawings, which you can do, to make the ears at different levels, the eyes at different levels. I am, however, going to accentuate the different levels of the eyebrows a little bit. All right, here we go. Here's the hair I was talking about. Start with a diagonal for the part and bring it back in right in front of the ear. Now build it out in back of the head. You see, it adds more mass to the head. So that's why the top half of the head looks bigger than the bottom half of the head. A lot has to do with the padding of the hair. Then we're going to have this come off the side, build this up right over here, a little more padding up here, like this. Alright, and now that we have this pretty much in good shape, we will start doing it over again in black and white. Pencil looks like black and white, but it's actually not. It's gray and white. That's the great thing about scanners, though. You can scan your art to look black. Only drawback is if you do, that gray look, that softer look you fall in love with your pencils, won't show. It'll all be black. It doesn't selectively do it. So there's some tricks for that, and I will go into those later. Okay, nice big smile, and we're going to favor one side of the face again. A little bit of a lower lip, a small lower lip. Flatten out this side of the face, but I'm going to round out this side of the face because this cheek is pushing this out. Everything has an action and a reaction. It's sort of cartooning according to Newton, laws of motion. And let's see here. No real interior details for the ears. Don't really need them. There's that part, and bring it down here. Feather this out a little bit, little extra bits of hair showing. Like that. Build it up, make it look very natural. And there you go. There is your boy character. And a few ideas on how to draw it in the front view and keep it interesting. I've got tons of hints like this on drawing faces for cartoons with my book, Cartoon Faces by Christopher Hart. That's me. I'm that guy. So it's a fun book. It's got tons of hints on all sorts of techniques you're not going to find other places. I hope you enjoyed this, and I enjoyed doing it. Thank you for joining me. Subscribe. You'll get new videos each week. Bye-bye.